welcome back to my channel. This is Elevate with KP Parker, and we are going to do a organizing video, cleaning out the refrigerator. This is before, and I'll get up close. You see all this stuff. Yeah, we're going to organize stuff, and I have containers to organize so that things will be easier for my family to get to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the subscribe button and like and share this video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, refrigerator's all cleaned out. I'm working with a clean slate, and you can see all of that gunk back there that was spilled. So yeah, we're giving this a good wipe down, and I hope this video encouraged someone to organize your house for the new year. Just throwing away old stuff, and all things are new in 2022. These are containers that I bought from Amazon, and we're gonna load them up. Vegetables and fruits. Of course, I got a new Arm & Hammer baking soda. They say it keeps your refrigerator fresh, so I'm putting a new one in there. That's it for right now. We're gonna go ahead and give this refrigerator a good wipe down. And this work, my refrigerator is organized, cleaned out, old stuff are taken out, new stuff put in. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Elevate with KP Parker. And please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and your bell notification so you'll know when I upload another video. So I hope this video inspires someone to organize for the next year, for 2022, and clean out the refrigerator. Just throw away old things. Yeah, and that's it. And I'll see you next time in another video.